In this question, we have just been asked to match the following. That is, we have to match the images with the correct title. Now, one thing that we can observe in all the images is that there is caries involvement of the primary dentition. So this tells us that this is some sort of an early childhood caries or ECC. Now, what are the different types of early childhood caries? So they were actually classified by Vane into three types. So type 1 is mild to moderate, type 2 is moderate to severe, and type 3 is severe. So the clinical features of these are, now in type 1, that is mild to moderate, we see existence of isolated carious lesions. So there is isolated lesions that are on the molars and incisors. In moderate to severe, we see labiolingual caries which affects maxillary incisors. However, the mandibular incisors are not affected. Now, this is an important point to remember which helps to differentiate between moderate and severe. In severe ECC, all the teeth are affected including the lower incisors. So this is an important point. So if we come back to the question, we can see that here in the first image there is isolated carious lesions. So this is mild. And the second, there is caries involvement of almost all the teeth. However, the lower incisors have been spared. This is moderate. And in severe, we can see that even the lower incisors have been affected. So this is severe. So the answer for this question is 1 is A, correct, 2 is B, correct, and 3 is C. So the answer for this question is 1.